Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your browser, then go to google.com. After that, type MetaTrader 4. Then click on it and choose the first one, metatrader4.com. And as you can see here, we have MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. And as you can see here, we have multiple options. We have Windows, we have Linux, we have Apple, Android, Huawei. Choose the one you want. And for me, I have Windows. So click on Windows and click on Start Download. Then after that, click Open, click Yes, click Next, and wait for a moment. Now click Finish.
Incoming mail.
And as you can see, this is the MetaTrader 4. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.